again, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail. As I've shared before, I really enjoy the new look or the satin look when it comes to tire dressings for tires. And I found one that has that and also has a rain repel, so maybe it'll last longer than a few washes here. The Duragloss 253. This is a tire and rubber dressing that also contains water repel. Let's give it a shot. Duragloss 253 is a tire and rubber dressing and coating. It will leave behind the new tire look, so a satin finish. It also leaves behind a durable, water-resistant coating. 19 ounces for under $10. It's a straightforward product, so this will be a short video. Grab your tires, clean them. They have to be thoroughly cleaned and prepped first in order for the coating to take hold. Use your rubber. I'm using the Adams Tire and Rubber Cleaner, which I thoroughly enjoy. Use whatever you want, an APC, whatever type of cleaner you enjoy, and thoroughly clean those tires. Get all the browning off, any old dressing or gel that was left over from a previous tire coating. I also picked this stuff up because it does the exact same thing for mats or liners in the bed of your pickup truck. Get some nice, dark, rich-looking new without that slippery, greasy, glossy feel and touch to it. Alright, did the best they could to get the browning and some of the old tire dressings off of there. Rinse thoroughly. You'll notice now as we're rinsing, the water just sheets off. And what I'm going to do is bring the exact same tire from the same side, pull it next to it when we do have it coated. So it's nice and clean now, but we want to make sure it is perfectly dry before applying the dressing, just like right now. So you'll see this is a milky, thin substance. It's not a thick gel that'll fight you. It's user-friendly, easy to get on the tire, and I do recommend 2 or more coats. The first coat, depending on what type of tire it is, will soak in easily. So get a good foundation on that tire, and then in between washes, every couple washes, go ahead and reapply. I will leave a good hour or two in between coats, and then I'll leave a full day if I can. If it's possible to leave your car out of free-flowing water and storms for a full 24 hours and let that coating cure, the longer it'll last for you, durability will spike. So as of now, it has that wet look, but that won't last long. It will cure to a nice satin, natural look and feel to it. It'll look like a new tire, and that's just the first coat. It'll get darker and richer for each following coat. And as I have it next to the exact same tire from the same side, you'll be able to see that as we continue. For the second application, I'll bring you guys in even closer so you can see what's going on. And as easy as that. Let it cure, best for 24 hours, as long as you can before you get it out into the rainstorm or free-flowing water, and you'll have the repelling properties that it has now. The tire to the right absorbs the water or sheets it, and the tire that we coated, well, you can see what's going on. For the final thoughts segment of the video, the price is right for the Duragloss 253. User-friendly, easy to apply. I recommend 2 or more coats to get a good foundation on that tire, get that rain repel soaked into the rubber, and you'll be in good shape. I will keep you up to date as to longevity, having it applied to a tire, and heading out into real world situations. Brian from Apex Detail. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. Catch you in the next video. If you are enjoying the channel's content, please be sure to like, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell. That will let you know when we have fresh content available.